unloading by means of a crane, care should be taken to anchor the sides of the pallet on the ground. Distribution of pipes along the excavation pits shall be done by means of a tractor and straps. Excavation trenches. Depth of the trench shall be according to planning instructions. Care shall be taken to achieve correct leveling and cleanliness of the canal bottom. The canal bottom shall be covered with a 15 centimeter deep layer of sand. Lowering the pipe into the canal is done by means of straps, placing the pipe in the center of the excavation. The pipe should be placed in the male connector in the direction of the flow, stabilizing the pipe by means of sand. Measuring heights and slopes, lowering the adjacent pipe and connecting it to the previous pipe in the canal. Connection of 2 Paladex pipes carried out by 2 workers inside the canal and a tractor. Checking and cleaning the waterproofing and the joints for traces of sand. Spreading sliding paste. Make sure that the male connector goes into the female up to the white stripe. Stabilizing the pipe by means of sand. Connection between Paladex pipes and polyethylene manholes. Lowering the manholes into the canal. Checking and cleaning the waterproofing and the joints for traces of sand. Spreading sliding paste. Using a tractor to push by means of strap if necessary. Stabilization of the manhole and subsequent connection of the Paladex pipes. Connection between Paladex piping and concrete cells. Placing the cell, checking and cleaning the waterproofing and the joints for traces of sand, spreading sliding paste, introducing the piping into the pit joint. In some cases, it is not possible to change the location of the cell. It is therefore necessary to cut the piping. Cutting the piping will be done by means of a jigsaw. The other part of the pipe with the male connector will be used to continue the line. Covering the canal. It is carried out in several stages. The canal is covered up to a height of 20 centimeters with sand, compacted with water according to the specifications. Restitution of the local material or any other in accordance with the requirements. Covering with 20 centimeter layers. When covering, care must be taken to remove all stones. Final compaction according to the compaction percentage required by the plan. Minimal covering of the pipe shall be 60 centimeters.